Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today I'm going to show you our Chevy Blazer here. Come out of Washington, so just a nice original paint on it. Obviously needs to be redone. Needs some grill work here, a clear coat peeling, but nice solid truck, not a rust issue anywhere. Looks like it had some work on the roof at one time, but like I said, nice and solid as far as rust goes. Interior's not bad. Driver's seats wore, and then that's dash is cracked with the cover lay included. That isn't installed. They put carpet on rear quarters. Oh, on this side, just a piece of wood. So, like I said, driving project. Most everything works. Power locks and the horn do not work. And the air. It's an air truck, but it needs an evaporator. They just had some lines and a compressor, so it needs the air redone. New tires on it with aluminum rims. But like I said, nice clean truck. Got some little bit of damage on top of the gate, but that's all. I'd probably all sand that out and weld them cracks up, because a lot of them crack right there. But like I said, no bubbles here. Just one little bubble on the door there and right along the rocker. But nice solid old Blazer. So if you're looking for a cheaper drive as you work on Blazer, a lot of these have gotten so darn expensive that it's nice to find one that's kind of affordable. Any questions? 605-695-7391.